Squarespace tutorial for beginners, complete website build. Building a professional website used to mean hiring a developer, writing code, and spending weeks figuring things out. Not anymore. With Squarespace, you can pretty much build a clean, modern, fully functional website in a single day, no coding required. Now, whether you want a portfolio, business site, blog, or online store, Squarespace is going to handle all the designs, hosting, and structure in one platform. So, in this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through building a complete website from scratch using Squarespace, starting from setup all the way to publishing. So, let's get started. Now, let's talk on what Squarespace actually is. Now, Squarespace is basically a website builder that goes ahead and combines design templates, hosting, domain management, e commerce tools, blogging features, and instead of building everything manually, you choose a template and customize it visually. Think of it like drag, drop, edit, and publish. No backend setup chaos, no server management, just building. Now, before you actually start building, you're going to need to decide your goal, like portfolio website, business website, blog, online store, etc. Squarespace adapts features based on what you choose. And that's going to matter because it shapes your layout, navigation, and pages. Now, to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to squarespace.com, and right here, you're going to click on Get Started. Now, once we click on Get Started, we're going to wait for things to load up just as so. And as you can see, it's going to take us onto the onboarding. Now, this is where you're going to search your site topic, depending on what site you want to create. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to go ahead and start constructing our site. So let's say I want to go with a very artsy website, right? We're going to go ahead and click on that. Now on this, we could sell products, showcase expertise, sell memberships, publish a blog, send invoices, build communities, and so much more. You can go with any of these options. I'm going to stay with these two. Once we do that, we're going to click on Next. Now once we're here, it says build a website or choose a template. Now you could go with any of these options if you want to, but I'm going to be going with something straightforward and pretty simple. So I'm going to go with choose a template. You could go from scratch if you want to, where AI is going to build the whole blueprint, but the general way is a template. All right. Now over here, you get tons and tons of templates because templates control your website structure, not just design, but your general layout flow. So when choosing a template, focus on clean layout, mobile responsiveness, simple navigations, strong homepage structures, avoid overcomplicated designs, and a good website is not about flashy elements. It's more about clarity. So over here, you're going to go with any one of these. Let's say I'm going to go with let's go with something simple, not too out in the open. So I like this one, right? So I'm going to click on it. You could go ahead and scour its features, see the actual layout, how it works. And then down here, they're also going to give you the different color palettes and the different font packs that you can use on it. So you could view the demo site, but I feel like this is good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start with a Design. Now, once we are here, it tells us to create our account. Now, there are many options that you could go with, like Apple, Facebook, email, but you can also go with the most simplest way, which is Google. Okay. So once we go ahead and open up Google, you could go ahead and choose your account. So let's say I'm going to go with this account right here. And once this is done, all you're simply going to do is verify yourself. So once I have gone ahead and verified myself, we're going to get straight into the general onboarding. Okay. The whole setup process is really simple and it's really straightforward. It takes you straight right into the dashboard where you can start working. Now, once you're into the dashboard, you can go ahead and enter yourself into the editor where you can mainly work with pages, sections, blocks, style settings, structures, and a whole lot more. So pages are your structure, sections are going to be your layout areas, blocks are going to be your content like text, images, or buttons. So once you understand this hierarchy, everything becomes so much easier and so much streamlined. So you're basically not coding, you're technically assembling. All right. So once we're in, as you can see, it's going to look something like this. Now, it's not your general website layout, because it's pretty simple and straightforward. So what you're simply going to do to work on your site is click on Edit Site, and here is our editor. And once we're in our editor, you can pretty much go ahead and start working with it pretty simply. So first of all, there's the site styles, which is going to be your general color palettes and font styles that you can work on from here. Okay, so you could change all of this. And then there's different things in the site, like if you click over here, it's going to allow you to change the things in the site. So let's say I want to go ahead and change this from soon to now. So I'm simply going to click on this, and there we go. So taking new clients now. Then moving on, just like this, you can edit different things. Like let's say I want to go ahead and change this image. I'm going to click on that. Right here is where you can go ahead and change the actual image. So you could click on this right here and you could replace it with a totally new image. So let's say I'm going to click on upload file, and any image that you want to go ahead with, any image that you feel like will look significantly better over here, you could simply add that into this. And of course, adding stuff like that into your design is going to go ahead and make your design look more like you, or look more at least like something that you want it to be. Okay, and you can describe it as you go on. So let's say we go down, you could add elements, you could add actual structures into things. So let's say I'm going to click on add block. And these are the different content elements that you can add, as I told you, like text, image, buttons, videos, forms, accordions. So let's say I'm going to add a button, right? So once you click on that button, as you can see, we can structure it wherever we want. So let's say I'm going to keep it right below this. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it's very well streamlined. And once that is done, we have our very own design. And of course, you can go ahead and edit every single individual thing in this. Then as you go on, you can go ahead and change your pages, create navigations according to yourself, however you want, and so on. So once all of this is done, finally go ahead, click on save. And once you click on save, what's going to happen from here is your website is fully saved now. And from here on out, it's ready to export. So once this is done, simply go ahead and publish the website. You could preview it to see how it actually looks. And once you've gone ahead and built everything according to yourself, do test mobile optimization. And once this is good to go, connect a domain to your website and publish. So Squarespace makes website building pretty simple, fast, and accessible. Even if you've never actually built a site before, the key is not overthinking the design. So focus on clarity, structure, and purpose. A good website does not need to be complicated. It needs to be pretty clear, functional, and easy to navigate. So build it step by step, publish it, and improve as you go. That's how real websites are made in 2026. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.